Hello guys. I always thank you for watching my videos. Today, I'm back with this video. FSX troubleshooting. Because of troubleshooting, I worried about the voice. Mine is not good for your ears, but I thought, reading captions below this video is not good. You might be exhausted while reading and watching. So, I got my own troubleshooting. Virtual voice. Yeah. Okay, let's start now. Anybody who has PMDG Boeing 737 with FSX may have this error. What the problem is? The landing gears are not up and locked. OMG. This is too critical to enjoy Flight Simulator. So, I have found the solution for this problem. Okay, let's watching this. Advanced throttle. Positive, see this. Gears are not up and momentarily PFD is stopped. Oh my god. To solve this problem, there are two options. First, this problem could be for FS2 Crew, an add-in which makes voice control operations. Second, this problem is also for FS2 Crew, but solving this in different way. First, you may solve this problem an easy way. Find the FS2 Crew folder. It is in Program Files x86, Microsoft Games, Flight Simulator X, and RAAS Pro. Simply rename it or remove, but I recommend rename it. Usually, you can solve this problem by doing this. Okay, let's try again. Take off power.
Rotate. V2.
Positive. Gear up. OMG. It still doesn't work. Okay. Step 2. First, remove RAAS Pro folder, but don't erase this folder directly. In FSX folder, you can find uninstall FS2 Crew. I missed this part in my video, but you can find this file easily. After removing RASS, uninstall PMDG. Then, install PMDG again. That's all what you have to do. Okay, let's try again. take off power.
V1. V2.
Positive. Gear up. WOW. Gears work well. Enjoy your flight simulator with PMDG. Oh, Space Needle. Did you see that? I love Seattle. I'll back with another troubleshooting one. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.